Are you having tight hips or stiff legs? Let's fix it in 10 minutes. When you're ready, let's begin. Come into all four position. So your shoulders will be on top of your wrists and your hip will be on top of the knees. Sending the right leg back, keep the foot tucked. We are going to move forward and backward to stretch the back side of our leg. So with each inhalation, move forward. Exhalation, shift back. Try not to arch the lower back. So engage the belly, tuck the navel towards the spine. 4 more. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 3, 2, slow and gentle movement. 1, and stay at the back for 5, 4, feel the stretch in the calf. 3, 2, and 1, release. Now the other side, send the left leg back with the toes tucked. So inhale, move forward. Exhale, shift back. 4, forward. Exhale, back. 3, 2, and 1. Stay behind and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to tabletop. Now we are going to create circular motion in the hip using the knee to guide the movement. We will first move in circular order for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now reverse. Move inwards and then open up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend the right foot to the side, grounding the foot, pointing the toes forward. So we are going to shift our weight forward and backward, sit onto the heel. For 5, back, inhale forward. 4, exhale back. 3, 2, and 1. Come back on your knee. Now you're going to external rotate the hip, pointing the knees towards your toes, pointing to the side, hands on your hip, sinking the hip towards the side, and come back up, opening the inner side of our thigh. So inhale, stay. Exhale, sink. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, sink. Inhale up. Exhale, 3 more, add on a side stretch. Come back up. 2, and 1. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now we are going to change to the other side. So now your left hip. So adjust yourself. Now we are going to draw circles with the left hip, using the knees to guide the movement clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The other side. 5, 4, 3. Try to make the movement slow and controlled. 2, 1. Send the leg to the side, ground the foot. Now you're going to shift the weight forward and exhale back. 5, forward, exhale back. 4, forward and back. 3, inhale. Exhale back. 2, 1. Come back on your knees. Now you are going to turn that knee and foot outwards to the side. We are going to sink that hip down to open the inner side of the hip and thigh. So inhale, stay. Exhale, down. Come back up, inhale. Exhale, sink. 3 more. Inhale. Now add on a side stretch. 3. Come back up. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Come back up. Last one, you stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now coming back to all fours. Stepping the right foot outside of your right palm. We are coming into a lizard pose. We are going to shift the weight forward and then backward. You're going to try to straighten the knee if possible. Otherwise, just straighten as much as you can. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back, stretching the hamstring. Inhale, forward, stretching the hip flexor of the back leg. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, coming forward. You're going to untuck the back toes, shifting the weights to the outer side of the front foot. Your right hand pushing against the right knees. You're going to push that hip to the side and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. The other side. Come back to all 4. Now left foot to the outer side of the left hands. So sinking that hip to stretch the front part of the back leg. Exhale, shift the hip back to stretch the back side of the front leg. 4 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, release, and now you may sit on your mat. Send your leg forwards. So inhale, both hands up. You can bend your knees slightly as we try to touch the belly towards the thigh. We are going to stay here, or you may grab onto your feet and hold. For those who can go further, you can send and glide that heels forward for more hamstring stretch and stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. So now we're going to take some side stretch and also stretching the inner side of the hip and groin. So you're going to send the right leg out, left foot on the mat, right leg catching the left ankle. Right hand catching over the left ankle. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, reach over the right, trying to keep the left hip sitting onto the mat. And stay. For 5, 4, trying to keep the knees to the side. Try not to collapse the knee. 3, 2, 1. Come back up. The other side. So left leg to the side. Keep the right knee in. Left hand onto the right ankle. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Reach towards the left. And stay. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Butterfly. Feet together. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bow forward, stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all for today's practice. Hope it released the tension around your hip and also your lower legs. If you like my content, please follow and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!